In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Evernote on your laptop step by step, whether you're using Windows or Mac. If you've been wanting an easy way to save notes, organize ideas, and keep everything in one place, Evernote is a great app to get started with. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to install it and open it for the first time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open any web browser on your laptop. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. Once the browser is open, go to the official Evernote website. It's always best to download software from the official source, so you know you're getting the correct and safest version. When the Evernote page loads, look for the download option. Depending on your laptop, you'll want to choose Download for Windows or Download for Mac. If you're not sure which one to pick, take a quick look at your laptop's operating system before continuing. Windows users should choose the Windows installer, and Mac users should choose the Mac version. Now let's start with Windows. After you click the Download button, the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. In most cases, you'll find this file in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, look for the file with the .exe extension. This is the Windows installer. Double-click the file to launch it. If a security prompt appears asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes, click Yes or Allow so the installation can continue. Next, follow the installation prompts on your screen. You may see a setup wizard that guides you through the process. In most cases, you can simply continue through the default steps, accept the terms if prompted, and wait for the installer to finish. When the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup window. At this point, Evernote should now be installed on your Windows laptop. If you're using a Mac, the process is just as easy. After you click Download for Mac, the file will usually save as a DMG file. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click the file to open it. A window will appear showing the Evernote icon and the Applications folder. All you need to do is drag the Evernote icon into the Applications folder. This copies Evernote onto your Mac and completes the installation process. Once the app has been installed, the next step is to launch it. On Windows, you can open Evernote from your desktop, Start menu, or search bar. On Mac, open it from your Applications folder or use Spotlight Search to find it quickly. Click the Evernote app to launch it for the first time. When Evernote opens, you'll be asked to either create an account or log in. If you're a new user, click Create Account and follow the prompts to register. You may need to enter your email address, create a password, and confirm a few details before continuing. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password and click Log In. After signing in, Evernote will open, and you'll be ready to start creating notes, organizing your tasks, and saving important information. That's really all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've downloaded and installed Evernote on your laptop and set it up for use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.